Hi, second graders. Today for art, you guys are going to need a piece of paper. And here I have my piece of paper, and instead of putting it this way, I'm gonna put it this way. And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make leaves, different kinds of leaves, and then we're gonna design our leaves the way that we want them to look. So I'm gonna show you exactly what to do for each leaf. So like I said, you want a piece of paper and a pencil and something to color with. So here's my piece of paper, and I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 different kinds of leaves. The very first leaf, let me show you what it looks like. You're going to draw a leaf on your paper that looks like this. Okay, something like this. So see, we have the stem, we have it looking almost kind of roundish, almost like a lemon. So make a leaf that looks like this. Stop the video and make your leaf. Okay. Now you're going to make a second type of leaf. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Give me one second. The second type of leaf you're going to make is one that looks like this. It has a lot of different pokey parts, okay? So you make like almost like a little triangle, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out, in. And you have your line. So at this point, you need to make 2 leaves, one that looks like this one and one that looks like this one. Okay, so that's the leaves that you should have. Stop your video and make sure you have these 2 types of leaves. Now there's one last type of leaf that you're going to make. The last type of leaf you're going to make is like this, where it's like kind of round as you go here and then it gets pokey. Okay? So these are the 3 types of leaves you're going to draw on your piece of paper. So your paper should look something like this. Go ahead and do this. Press pause and draw this. Okay, at this point, this is what you should have. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have a stem, because every leaf has a stem. And what does that mean? I'm going to show you. So I'm making my stems on my leaves to show that this is a leaf. So see how I have my stems on my leaves, sorry. Go ahead and make sure that you draw stems on your leaves. So I just drew a line and then a line out, line out, line out, line out, line out, line out. So go ahead and make your stems. Press pause and make your stems. All right, at this point you should have your 3 leaves and your stems. Now the very last step that you're going to do today is you're going to design your leaves. You're going to use the cool colors, and what I mean by cool colors is I mean like those, I'm sorry, not cool colors, warm colors, because we know leaves turn red, we know they turn yellow and orange, right? So we're going to use these types of colors to design our leaves, okay? So what that's going to look like is I'm going to show you how I'm going to design my leaves, and then you get to decide what do you want your leaf to look like, and you're going to make all these different designs. This is what my cool leaf designs look like. I first made little just designs inside of my leaves with the color that I wanted. So this one I wanted to be red, so I made it dark, and I made these like squiggly lines and some dots. I did some swirls, and then very, very lightly I shaded in my leaf red. Then I did this with this one. I made like this carrot looking thing, and then a line, a carrot thing, and a line, a carrot thing, and a line all throughout here. And then I lightly, very lightly shaded in my leaf orange. And then the last one I did was this one. I did an even more squiggly and wavy line with some triangles inside of my leaf. And then I lightly shaded it in yellow. So you guys are going to design your own leaves with your own colors, however you want them to look, but you should have a leaf that's this shape, and this shape. And go ahead and take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw, okay? Can't wait to see your leaves and the designs you decide to make.